सो हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द कोड मास्टर। और आज की वीडियो में हम लोग बनाने जा रहे हैं एक ब्लॉग्स ऐप विद द हेल्प ऑफ MERN स्टैक। एंड इस वीडियो में आप लोग देख सकते हो कि हमारी इस वेबसाइट में होम ब्लॉग्स, डेट ब्लॉग्स, ये 3 सेक्शंस हम लोग रखने जा रहे हैं, यानी कि 3 पेजेस हमारे पास होंगे। और फर्स्टली वी आर सीइंग द होम पेज, सच अ नाइस इफेक्ट वी आर हैविंग हियर। एंड इन दिस वीडियो you can learn that how to fetch the latest blogs from the database. And as you can see, there is such a nice animation when we hover on it. And okay, so in this page we will learn that how to fetch the data from the database. Here again we are able to fetch the data, but here we can see all the blogs which we are having on our website. Okay, as you can see, on hovering we are having such a nice effect at the background. And whenever we will click on it, we will go to a page, we can see the whole blog here. Okay, तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि हम लोग एक ब्लॉग है, ठीक है। एक ब्लॉग के अगर हम लोग जब ऊपर क्लिक करते हैं तो हम लोग एक पेज पे पहुँच जाते हैं जहाँ पे हम लोग सिर्फ उसी ब्लॉग को देख पाते हैं, यानी कि एक स्पेसिफिक ब्लॉग को देख पा रहे हैं। ओके, एंड वी आर हैविंग आइकन हेयर विच इज़ टू एडिट द ब्लॉग विच इज़ डिस्प्लेइंग। ओके, तो सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉग को ही हम लोग अपडेट कर सकते हैं। सो वेन एवर वी विल क्लिक ऑन इट, वी कैन सी okay, so all the data of the blog is displaying here. And we can see that there is such a nice text editor which we have built in the MERN stack. And ये देखिए, ये टेक्स्ट एरिया जो है हम लोग अपना ये ऊपर नीचे यानी कि इसको चेंज भी कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू वांट टू सी द होल थिंग, होल ब्लॉग। ओके, डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू। दिस इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड द टेक्स्ट एरिया। ओके, एंड राइट ब्लॉग्स, same text editor we are having here. So basically what you will learn here, the thing is that how to reuse the component. Okay, as you can see that the right blog is having this component as an editor. Okay, and the same editor I have used here too. If you can see the same editor, just the thing is this is for updating the blog and this is for writing the blog. How we can manage the things, that how we will know that how the code will know that the request is from the new blog or to update a blog. So we will learn all these things in this tutorial, so please be with us. And here you can see, if I will click on it by data structures, this is important. And you can see again I am having the same page which is called blog page. From here to we can go to a blog page. Okay, so update functionality is working in each and every blog. So this is the project, okay, which we are going to build, how this functionality works actually. And I am having a text here where I will copy it and I will go to here and paste. Okay, so this is the text which I'm going to update, which I'm going to create a new blog actually. Okay, so why blogs? Okay, I'm just giving a title and the description. Whenever I will click on that blog, okay, blogs saved successful, we'll go to home page, we can see that blog on our latest blogs. As you can see here, why blogs. Okay, this post actually we have created just now, as you can see, you know. So basically the thing is that the latest things which we are uploading to our website will be displaying on the front. Okay, this is the functionality which we are going to see how to build it. And here too you can see that the updated blog or the post or the blog which we have created, just a new post which we have created, we can see that blog here and you can check it out. Okay, okay, so if you want to update it, why blogs. Okay, so we can write why blogs are important. Okay, basically important. And if I will click on update blog, you can see updated successfully. Okay, so it directly sends us to the blog page why blogs are important and the things are updated. If you want to see too, here we can go home page and you can see why blogs are important. Okay, blogs, you can check it out, why blogs are important. That's it. This is the basically project which we are going to build. So guys, please subscribe the channel and let's start the project in the next video.